Today's the wedding of Eileen and Noel. So, come on, let's go.
Unang-una sa lahat, ang lakas mo kay Lord, pinakasalan kita.
Kahit 1 hour lang tulog ko.
Double black body.
Ang galing.
Tuloy lang.
Sa kabila.
I think my 8-year-old self said to my family na hindi ako magpapakasal o hindi ako mag-aasawa. So para sa batang ako, it's a prank.
Eileen, bukal ba sa loob ang iyong pagparito upang makiisang dibdib si Sunny na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Sunny, bukal ba sa loob ang iyong pagparito upang makiisang dibdib si Eileen na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
High school, binest friend ako noon. Siya yung nag-label noon. Pero after ng graduation, ayun, nagpaalam manligaw.
Napakaraming nakaagaw ng pansin nitong lalaking ito o na lumapit, nagtangkang manligaw dito sa babaeng ito, they remain true, faithful sa isa't isa.
Na-fall lang ako. Kasi pa-fall siya eh. Tapos may mixed signals pa. Pero nahirapan din ako niyan.
Love, today is a new chapter in our lives. An even bigger part of our story. Napakasaya, sobrang proud ako sa atin at nandito na tayo ngayon.
Hindi mo lang alam pero at the back of my mind, lagi ako napapaisip kung paano naging deserve ng Eileen ang isang Noel.
The best yun. Kahit nonchalant yun. The best yun. Wala na akong mahihiling pa.
Join me as we rejoice and welcome the newlyweds, Noel and Eileen, now the new Mr. and Mrs. Aquilizan.
Through the years, I saw how responsible you are raising your children, cats, since day one. I've seen how you treat my family, how you cared and loved my family too. And that's when I started to love the idea of building a family, a happy and healed family. So thank you for healing me, for proving that true and genuine love still exists. Someone like you do still exist.
Minamastan na naman ang kawalan.
During these 9.5 years as partners, napakadami nating na-experience, especially while preparing this big event. Maraming nagbago and for sure, mas madami pang magbabago after nito. Bigger challenges and bigger rewards, syempre, more blessings. I'll always be there for you and at para sa gagawin nating pamilya.
Ikaw lang patutunguhan at sa aking
Looking back on our 10-year journey, I couldn't be more proud of this relationship. I can now say, we made it, love. We made it.
You showed my world, so I want to show it in a 360 view.
Thank you for your unending patience with me. Kahit ilang beses ko nang nilagay sa panganib mga buhay natin. Literal kasi nakakaidlip ako habang angkas mo ako sa motor. Pero never ako napahamak kapag ikaw ang kasama ko. Thank you for keeping me safe at all times. Know that I will always be your passenger princess. Kahit pa motorcycle yan, a car, or kahit 10 wheels pa, sasakay ako sa'yo. Ay, parang may mali. Sasakyan kita sa lahat ng gusto mo.
Parating ng lapit hapon.
At siguro naman dito sa 10 taon nito ay magkatugma na ang inyong pangarap sa bilang mag-asawa.
We have imperfections, but we have each other to fill those things we lack. We are strong because we got each other. I love you hanggang sa uli. Palagi. You're now husband, Noel.
Saan man maglaya, ikaw lang patutunguhan. Saan man maglaya, ikaw lang patutunguhan. Saan man maglaya, ikaw lang patutunguhan.
Siyempre, napakaswerte ko rin na mapapangasawa si Aileen. Supportive niya sa partner.
Dapat lang. Ako na to eh. Hindi na siya talo.
Sa aking pagdating, sa'yo ko lang sasabihin.
Can't wait to explore and experience life with you, my greatest love. I'm ready to grow old with you. Until we're gray and old. Mahal na mahal kita, higit pa sa inaakala mo. Hanggang sa huli, palagi.
Mga along nagdaan,